Hey guys, welcome back once again to iSoft Original. And a couple of days ago, we learned on how to create our first Hello World project. And on today's lesson, we are going to learn about variables. When we say variables, what are they? How do they operate in Visual Studio? So to get started, just add a button, and then let's rename this button and call this button tell me more about variables. All right, okay, so yeah, you can go ahead and then work along with the fonts so that it will be just cool. Yeah, so that is it. You can decide to extend it as well, and it will work perfect for you. So there you go. Perfect. Now we want it to work as a variable for us, and you can decide to change the back color as well so that you get to know what you're doing, and then you change the fore color to white anyhow like this. Okay guys, now let's go inside the code. Before we can declare a variable, we need to declare it in a form of statements, right? So let's say let's declare a variable by saying that we are going to declare a number as an integer, right? So let's go by saying, on our previous lesson we learned that we can say dim, let's say message as string, right? And then string is equals to what we want to say. That was hello world, right? And then we came here and then we said message box dot show, right? So what should it show? And then we bring our inverted commas. No, sorry, we deleted everything and then we said message, right? So it will just show up the message that we want to see in our message box. So it will definitely show you this hello world right there. So that is it, hello world. So on today's lesson we are going to see how to work along with the variables. So let's delete this message, then let's delete this code here, then let's say so let's begin by saying dim number as integer, right? And then the integer is equals to the number you want to add, right? So that is it. Dim number as integer, that is equals to 10 right there. So dim in number as integer is equals to 10. So let's say that we are going to say that message box dot show, that will be our integer right there. So we are going to say number, right? So let's debug it and see how best it works. So there you go.